Hi friends, in my previous video, I have shown you how to convert this image into this preview and this print file. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert the landscape image into mobile case, print and preview files. If you see this file, this neither suit horizontally or vertically. So let's see how to do it. First of all, I am going to take a model. Mm, let's see where we get. I have all these models. If you want, you can call me. I'm just mentioning my mobile number in the description and title. All these brands are available. Let me take Poco this time, and we have Poco X3. Just open it, and as you know, just hide the top layer or keep it. Now, drag and drop the image here. If you see, there is a lot of space at the top and bottom. If you bring this down, you just hardly see the image little actually. How to convert this image into this? In this case, what we can do is, as the image is a little smaller, we can go for two options. One is make it little bigger and keep him in the center. And if you see at the top, still there is some space. The first option is like select the M tool. Before doing that, there is some small icon. Because it is smart layer, convert that smart layer into non-smart layer by using rasterize. And now we can use the crop tool. The one way is just select by using, let me do it again. Click onion, select the portion and Control T and drag it to the top. This is one option. Now enable it. This is one way of doing. You can save it to, let me save P1, go desktop and orders 2021, and the customer name is let's say ready, and here this is the print file, preview file, preview 1. Save it in the PNG format. I don't want to stretch this. I just want to do the other way. The second option I'm going to show you right now. I just clicked Control Z option, Control Z, Control Z to come back. Now, what I want is, I don't want to stretch the image. Just click on Control C, select the, come again, let me come again, click on click on M and select the some portion, Control C, Control V. Basically, it is copied. This layer is, the portion is copied. Now, click on V and move it to the top. But if you see, there is some straight line, but what we can do is select the small portion, Control T, and you can do it two ways, like flip vertical. Now it is mixed actually. Again, you can select the top layer, the portion, and Control C, Control V. One more layer is created. Now we can place it here, so that there are no patches here. It seems everything is single image only. This is another way of doing. Now you can save this and wait. You can bring it little down. Yeah, fine. Now you can save it like save as. This is the other way. Like one way is just select the portion and stretch it. Another way is copy the image and paste it, flip horizontally or flip vertically so that it matches. It doesn't show as patches. Again, save as, go to desktop, orders 2021, ready. This is preview 2, preview 2. Assume that I have shared the preview 2 to the customer. He says, okay, go ahead to print. I shared this image through WhatsApp. He says, okay. Let's see how to make the print file now. Now, disable the top layer, the camera layer, and this is the extra portions only. Just select a little from the bottom, of the main image, Control T, and just to be in the safe side. And the edges, what we can do is, we are having three small portions, right? What we can do is we can merge them. How to merge? Select the top layer and click on Control E, so that layer 2 will be merged with the layer 1. Again, Control E, so that this image will be merged with this. Now the whole image is 1. Now select this little portion and now this is the print file. You can save directly. Click on Save As. One thing you need to remember is, whenever you see white space means, on the mobile case also it becomes white space. This is the exact size required for the mobile case printing for Poco X3. That is what you need to remember. Save as, go to orders 2021, again DNREDDi. This is print file. Just mention as print, save it in the PNG format. From here, the same story. You need to go to the, take the new file. We are having A4 printer, so international paper. Remember here 300 is necessary. And go here, ready, print to, drag and drop here, Control T, clockwise 90, so that you can place two images, one at the top and another one is the bottom. Just directly go ahead for the printing. This is the exact size required for the Poco X3. Thank you for watching. Please check out my channel. There are many videos related to sublimation on each and every point, each and every feature and problem. Please like, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you again. If you need all these layers, all these models, you can ping me on WhatsApp or you can directly call me at any time. Thank you.